In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use filters in Notion. Filters are an incredibly powerful tool within Notion, allowing you to streamline and organize your workspace effectively by displaying only the information you need at any given time. Whether you're a student managing your projects or a professional tracking your tasks, learning to use filters will help you refine the way you approach your data. Let's start by navigating to your Notion workspace and finding the page you're interested in filtering. You might already have a database set up in Notion, or perhaps you're just starting fresh. Either way, ensure that you've located the correct page where your data resides. This is the first step towards manipulating your information effectively. Once you have your page open, keep an eye out for the filter icon. It usually appears as three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other, commonly known as the filter icon. Clicking this icon is your gateway to customizing and filtering your data. It's positioned conveniently in the Notion interface, making it an essential tool for optimizing your workflow without any hassle. With the filter icon engaged, the next step is to choose what exactly you want to filter. Notion empowers you to filter by any properties you have set up within your database, be it date, tags, or any other specific field you've previously created. This flexibility means you can tailor your view to the precise criteria you need, such as piecing together relevant tasks for a specific week, or highlighting entries that meet certain milestones. After determining what you would like to filter, you will need to click inside the small box provided. This box allows you to specify criteria, narrow down your search, and really hone in on the data points that matter. Think of it as tailoring a suit. You want to ensure that it's fitted just right for your purposes. In instances where you need to reset and view your unfiltered data again, Notion makes it just as simple. To clear a filter or undo any selections, simply click on Clear Selection. This allows you to return to your comprehensive list without the hassle of manually undoing individual selections. It's like hitting the refresh button, making it incredibly straightforward to revert back to the original view. And there you have it, an efficient guide to using filters in Notion. With these steps, you can navigate and manipulate your data more effectively, ensuring that you're always working with the most relevant information. Filters in Notion are indeed a game changer, offering you control over how your content is displayed and interacted with. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to apply these tips for a more organized and efficient Notion experience.